Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's episode we are going to be going over embeds and how embeds work in Discord. So an embed is something like this here. So we have one of these here, an embed. This basically has something inside of it. So what you want to do is you want to just do first you want to do sorry about that. As basically. First thing you want to do is you want to create a new application. You want to go discord.com/developers/application. You want to do a new application, give it a name, and then once you're in your application, you want to go all the way down to bot, and I'll do something here saying create bot. Just there should be a button here saying add bot. Just do it, and then that's all you. And then when you're off to, then you can identify it as a bot, and just give it administrator, and then that's all it needs. Then you can copy that link and add it to your server. So basically, and the small thing called a token. But whatever you do not leak this token, guys, because if this gets leaked, people can basically control your bot. So basically, if this token does not, just click regenerate and it'll make you another token. So yeah, anyway, I guess today we're going over embeds and how embeds work. So basically, an embed. Also, guys, I made an error in the command handler code. I will update that today. So basically, so an embed is, I told you what was inside of that command that I did. So you can do this. So starting off an embed. Oh, I don't know. I've got a help file there. It's not really good. Close that. So basically, what you want to do is you want to also create your commands folder, guys. To basically, so you know your commands folder, do / make a command what you want the embed. So I'm going to call it embed for now. You can const discord equal require and then discord.js, and then you can do export.run and then equals and then bot comma message Alright guys, so there is two different ways to do embeds, and well, okay, there's loads, but I'm going to show you the main two that they are. So you can do, that needs to be in, as best you can do them like this. So, I'll show you the way that most things do them. So I'm going to do embed equal new discord.rich embed, and then you can do it like that. So you want to do .set title, and then basically the title embed tutorial. Then you can do .set author, and then you can just set it as on, obviously on them. Basically, yeah, and anything can be there. And then you can do .set color. Colors can basically have a lot of things. They can either do hex colors, or you can do the name of the color. So I'm going to do green, and then what you want to do is you want to do .set, and then add fields. You know, fields what basically shows on the embed. But there's a different way to do it with description, so I'll do the description after. So you can do add field, and then you're going to do line 1. This is a line. Also, you need to put comma there so you can not get an error. And add field. Basically, you keep doing this. This is what you can do. Is you can do it. Basically, anything with these that you want, you can do. For so basically, this will show like this. Node.js. You can do this yourself and ignore the message that I get off Dino. Oh no, I missed something. I'll show you about that. Message.channel.send embed. now it will work. Is help. Why isn't that sending? What's wrong with that? Oh no, it's embed. I'm an idiot. Embed. So basically, it's like the embed. So this is basically so it's the author, the color, then the embed title. So you can so it shares line on this. And that, so there's another way you can do it. You can do it as comma true. You can do comma true, comma true, comma true, and then comma true on the end, and then this will do something pretty cool. So do node.js, and you can do embed and obviously that will put it in a line. So basically that's one way of doing embed anyway. So okay, there's another way of doing them, but with the other way you can't actually do it further in a line. Well, you can, but it's complicated, and I'm not going to do that in this episode because, yeah. So basically what you can do is you can take out all of this, except the colour. Basically what we're going to do here, do.set description, and then you can do and then you'll do for them to basically make them. You don't have to do these, but you can if you want your text to be bold. So you can do so I just want to do something. So basically, this type is only good for when you're doing help or information embeds. When you're doing stuff like bands, you want to do the other one. There's a way to do it like this with a few ones. I might do that when we go over the advanced band episode, which I think is episode 12. Or the actual banning kicks is next episode actually. So yeah, you can do this. What was made by STP. And then you could get the, and now you can get your Discord link like this. Oh, hold on, I'm going to get my Discord link anyway. Basically, that will do that. Actually, what you can do is you can actually do something pretty cool actually, so you don't need to actually do that. You can do that's set title and then Discord. Now what you can do, you can also do a dot set URL, and then you can actually put a link in there. But those need to actually be inside of that, I believe, for that to actually work. Clear node.js, and then you can just do embed, and basically that works like that. And basically that'll put a hyperlink where it says Discord. And so basically, this episode wasn't meant to be about embeds. This was for beginners, and basically for beginner embeds, so the basics of embeds. And I basically showed you the basics. So it's like, basically there's loads of where embeds work. So basically, you can actually do this. Basically there's a documentation page, which I'll leave this in every description. And so basically there's basically everything here. There's classes, there's examples, so there's like a pin code. I'm actually going to do a pin command, but there's like voice, web builds, there's basically everything that you need to know in here. There's, yeah, embed somewhere. If anywhere, will be in rich embeds. If anywhere. There you go, rich embeds. properties, author, color, description fields, file, files, footer, image, thumbnail. Thumbnail is what we'll go over in advanced embeds as well. Even though there's timestamp, but there's attached. There's basically all of these that you can do that I will go over at some point. I'll probably use some of these in a later episode of like bands or some stuff. I'll use some of these for stuff like that. But if you did actually enjoy this episode, be sure to also join them at this Discord that is going to be a growing community. Please read the description for documentations, the source code, and a bunch of links that you will need to start off this basically project that you want to do in Discord. So yeah, if you did enjoy, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out and goodbye.